Hello students, this is the reading B including all my friends of unit 3 of your English reader. Okay, in previous class I have told you about the explanation of this poem, and today we will solve the back exercise of this question. Okay, firstly we look the comparison sections, tick the correct alternatives. Okay, the first one is I like to play with my friends, they like to play with me, who are T and my friends, who are I and my friends. Here option is a poet and his relatives, second a disabled child and his friends, and number third the boy and his classmate. So the answer will be a disabled child and his friends. Okay, now the second one, what did the bad guys do? What did the bad guys do? First one, the option is played and talked to us, B said bad words about us, and C said they are our friends. So correct answer will be said bad words about us. Okay. The third one, why are we all the same? Why are we all the same? Option here, we all look alike, B we are all playing, and number C we all are human beings. Okay, so what is the same? We all are human beings. Okay, and the next one, tick the correct statements about the poem. You may choose more than one option. Okay, here everyone should be treated alike. Everyone should be treated alike. This is true. And second, some people need special care. It is also true. Okay, statement is also true. And number C, new friends are not allowed in the play. These are wrong. And number D, all children have the same kind of hair and skin. No, this is not true, because every person hair is different and their skin is also different. And number E, there is more than what we can see. It's true, there are more people around us in the world that we can see. Okay, and number F, mean people see differences children. Yes, this is correct. Mean people, their thinking are very cheap and mean, so they see the difference between the children's. Okay, now the question answer number third question, who are the bad guys mentioned in the poem? Why are they called bad guys? यहाँ पर जो poem है उसमें bad guys वर्ड जो यूज़ किया गया है, दे आर, वाई दे आर कॉल्ड बैड गाइज, और उन्हें वाई बैड गाइड्स क्यों कहा गया? द आंसर विल बी some boys came and person were disturbed the boys playing at the backyard. The poet called them bad guys because they used bad words about the children and bothered them. वे उन्हें अपशब्द कहते थे, बैड वर्ड्स कहते थे, एंड बॉदर्ड देम, उन्हें चिढ़ाया करते थे. ओके, नेक्स्ट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, लिस्ट द थिंग द बैड वर्ड्स बॉदर्ड द चिल्ड्रन अबाउट. लिस्ट द थिंग्स, ऐसे कौन सी जो चीज़ें थी जिसको कह करके चिल्ड्रन जो है उन्हें बॉदरिंग किया करते थे. The things are, answer is the things are, they bothered the children by using bad words about their skin and hair, and sometimes they object them about their talking and playing as well as. Okay, next the question number 5, what can we understand if we use more than our sight? यदि हम अपनी दृष्टि को और थोड़ा बड़ा करें तो हम क्या समझ सकते हैं? द बैड गाइज आर नॉट ऑल the world has to offer. There are good people too. There are good people too. इस दुनिया में अच्छे लोग भी हैं. Only if we use more than our side. हमें अपने दृष्टिकोण को थोड़ा बड़ा करने की बस ज़रूरत है. Okay. So the next question number 6. Why do you think these lines have been spoken? पोएम में ये जो लाइन्स हैं वो क्यों कही गई हैं? Number 1, why? Number A, we didn't. Number A, B, C, D and E. Okay, we mark here. Number A, we didn't want to hear their words, because that we should ignore the bad words. Okay. And B, we know that they are not right. Bad people are not good, so it is better to ignore them. And number C, some need a special tube to breathe, because some people, our children are disabled, so they need a special tube to breathing. So the answer, we all are not same and disabled, and some need to special assistance. Okay. And number D, if we use more than our side, we didn't hear bad words and we believe in ourselves, there are good people around us. Okay. And last, number E, they only look skin deep. The all disabled children are really same, but some mean boys, girls, bad had it wrong, because they didn't look in deep and could not understand disabled children's abilities. Okay, so these are the solution of the back exercise of this lesson. Okay, you learn it properly, and I will send the images also, so you note down in your copy. Okay, thank you.